right, good morning, everyone. Drop those tickers and questions in chat. Just thanks to breaking news, Alto Ingredients announces a 50 million share repurchase program. This has kind of been a theme, so that just dropped. ALTO, kind of low float. Share repurchase. This has been a theme lately. Thank you, breaking news, as always. 50 million share repurchase. Let's take a look at the... So again, remember, drop your tickers and questions in the YouTube chat. Alex is here helping me today. Chart's a mess. So probably an afternoon view app hold, I guess. So just because the chart's such a disaster. And let me get my zoom. Some of the main ones I'm watching, all of you should have the weekend watch list. If, you know, again, go to StocksTrade.com/watchlist. 100% free. Pixie's kind of the #1 trash bag. Warg for day 3. Squeeze. Otherwise, let it die. ISEE, man. Still, you know, it was difficult last week to consider what was the best stock. Man, 19 again. I think 19. Yeah, beautiful. Look at what it did when it broke 19 on Friday. So ISEE, definitely one of the best plays last week for sure. That day 3 surge. I mean, a lot of you like that day 3 surge pattern, which I love. Love. Go back, look at ISEE last week. Okay, you know, Tuesday you had the big run, and then nothing on Wednesday, but hung around the highs, and then it broke Tuesday's highs. So what's great about the day 3 surge pattern? Very simple. Simple is good, I think. But yeah, especially on Thursday, that day 3 surge was just beautiful. Over 19 wakes up again. All right, let's get to some questions. Eric asked about Lyft. Decent run Friday. You had a breakout over 20. Until then, I mean, remember the problem with these gap down charts. So understand what a big gap. Remember this gap down hard. I think it was on earnings back in May. You know, you get so many. I mean, because think about what's happening with Lyft. So here comes the. I guess you could call me the ornery old man. Okay, but think about the psychology of this chart. So for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 months, just a fade. 8-month fade. So you know losers are holding. Okay, they're holding and hoping. We know what bag holders do. Then they get, which I love. I got trapped in the gap down. Man, you didn't get trapped in. Whoa, I almost broke the PG rating. You didn't get trapped in anything, okay? You were a bag holder for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months. You didn't get trapped in anything. Look at the trend. I don't care how new you are to technical analysis. What's the trend from September to May? Okay, you chose to be a loser. Okay, losers hold losers. Then big gap down. Okay, fail here back in August, and then today. I mean, look at it. To me, you buy this before 21-ish, you're crazy. Because all you're doing, what's the bag holder's dream? Every night, the bag holder goes to sleep and dreams a glorious dream of getting back to break even. Okay? So if you buy at any point before this starts to fill the gap, all you're doing is bailing out the bag holders. He's so happy because you're buying his shares. So Sorry, but it's a bag holder chart. And if you buy in advance of a confirmed breakout on a bag holder chart, all you're doing, the only thing you're doing is giving the bag holder his dream. That's all you're doing. So if you want to bail out losers, help yourself. VTYX breaking news. And somebody's asking. VTYX. Oppenheimer, $40 price. No. So Oppenheimer raised the price target from 40 to 65. So big price target move. Big breakout on the daily. High price dip and rip, baby. Yeah. 22 million float. Higher priced, but relatively low float. 2 million shares traded. Yeah. So again, thank you, breaking news. High price dip and rip. Relatively low float. ADTX. So that's that reverse splitter. Wait for the split and then let's react. Just like Pixie last week. RGLS, low float news. This thing always sucks. Always a one and done. Afternoon only. I hate a dip and rip on this. This thing always sucks. I hate it. It's terrible. It's junk. It's disgusting. SPPI had news last night. I like the Oracle level of 165 risk on VWAP. Right there. I mean, I'm telling you. Just let Oracle guide you through these. Right there. You got the lines. Okay? These algorithmic based lines on SPPI. It had news Friday night. It's trading in a channel right between the Oracle lines. Use the Oracle lines. 165 break. Risk the lower level. 150. Blue Apron, what's it doing this morning? The fade is on. You know, man, meme stock. I mean, in my opinion, this is a meme stock. 758. Set your alerts, but the hype is starting to fade. You know, the problem is, remember meme stocks all came back because of Bed Bath & Beyond. You know, again, hey, GameStop still hanging around, but it just feels like the juice is starting to leave in the meme stocks. So, Bradley says, Tim, your live streams and videos have helped me very much, and I wanted to thank you for what you do. Thank you, Bradley. I mean, listen, I love what I do, you know, and not to get too off topic, but I mean, listen, if you remember, pre-market prep started the day the 15 days, the very first lockdown happened. And I was like, hey, I can't leave the house. I'm just going to do a free live stream every day for 15 days. Famous last words, you know. So here I am, 600 days later? What was the first official day of the lockdown? When was that? I won't Google it. Anyway, 2.5 years later, I'm still here. I love what I do. So, Govix. I don't think anything's going on with Govix, is there? Oh, hey, nice. Hey, ooh, break of Friday's highs. Yeah, sorry. I was thinking a different ticker. So yes, Alina, Govix is in play. Ebook pattern, break of Friday's highs, probably risk on VWAP. So what was I thinking? I was thinking of a different ticker. So Good tickers of the day, guys. Lots of times on YouTube, it gets a little random. Ride. Dead. No volume. MULN. There's no hope. MULN's dead. Ride and MULN are dead. Okay, let's get a number one here. What's Oracle got to say? Oh, INM. Let me go over. FYI, as always, I love my boys at Breaking News. And again, I know people will complain and they'll be like, oh, it's just a sales pitch. Man, INM's chat pump, guys. For me to be able to know without having to watch all this stuff, go to all these rooms, watch all this BS, to just be over and be able to look and see my boys telling me INM, low float chat pump, buy in. And now I know the rules. What are the rules? Buy in pre, sell in pre, don't get greedy, see green, take green. Otherwise, 945 or later, if it fails pre 945, every 945 runner becomes an afternoon VWAP hold. There's 3 setups on INM. Okay? Probably number 1. Now this is the chat pump. There's 3 ways to play it. I just set them. I set them fast. But if you showed up and if you were here every day for 600 days, you would know the chat pump rules and you'd probably be buying in pre, selling in pre, trading a 945 dip and rip. And if that fails or goes too early, you then use the afternoon VWAP hold. There's a whole ebook that everybody loves. Got literally thousands of reviews breaking this all down. If you were here for 600 days, you'd know the rules. Have a great day, my friends. INM, top of the list right now. And have a great day, my friends.